MULN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Make sure to watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at MULN today, we have pumped up like we have not pumped up in a very, very long time. 100% up. I mean, look, I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos documented it over 5 years. So I've definitely seen what's really printing, what's not, what's working, what's not. And all I can tell you is that pumps like this are going to happen, but dumps are right after are the most likely thing that's about to happen next. I mean, look at this thing. Of course, it's going to pump up and go like to 48 cents, and now it's like 27. I mean, I'm not even trying to be that pessimist guy, but the truth and the reality of the matter is that the likelihood that this thing just going to keep melting is high. I mean, again, even from this 15-minute chart, I'm open-minded for longs. Like, do not get me wrong. Like, even like right here, if I see my confirmations met, then last thing I'm doing is randomly buying. But yeah, I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. All I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting, and I just do this. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.